Mag-fiesta po sa Indoros. Happy Fiesta! Viva la Virgen!
Viva!
Viva el Rostro!
Viva!
As I greet you, I welcome you, devoted pilgrims who have come to pay homage to Ina on our solemnity. There are a number of you who come from afar, who travel just to pay homage to our Ina on this special occasion as we commemorate the 100th year of her canonical coronation. And also I greet the Our Lady of Fatima Association. Shongtije Amen, Taja Ikan, Taja Sila, Kongshi Kongshi.
Kansi.
May nakain yata akong Chinese noodles. Today's reading, particularly the Gospel, while we celebrate the solemnity of the feast, which is certainly a happy and joyful occasion, the Gospel which we heard, which was read, does not really make us a very delightful situation. Because it is that moment when Jesus there at the cross and his Mary and his mother Mary stood at the foot of the cross. It is the picture of Jesus dying on the cross, considered a criminal and at the point of death. This is not a very happy situation. This invites us to turn our attention to the cross, to that scene on the cross, as we celebrate, as we honor Our Lady. The cross where Jesus was crucified, by the cross stood Mary. The tree of the cross reminds us of that tree in the Old Testament. There was a tree in the book of Genesis which God instructed Adam and Eve not to eat the fruit of such tree. That is the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. But what happened? Eve, in her desire to become wiser, ate of that fruit. She disobeyed God, and that marked the first sin of our first parents. As a result,